welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been a little bit since I made a video. I've just been getting used to being at college and settling in here and just getting used to the feel of things. I got here maybe a couple weeks ago, so wow, I can't believe it's already been a couple weeks. That's crazy. Anyways, in case you guys didn't already know, this is my very first semester at college ever, and I'm in my dorm right now. As you can see, here's my bed with a couple little cute decorations. But anyways, I'm hopping on today to make another video I'm very excited about because, of course, if you know me, you've probably already guessed what the video is going to be about. Yes, I'll be teaching you how to draw something today. So today, I will be teaching you guys how to draw something really easy, and the great thing is it's totally for beginners, like anyone can do it. So for today's video, I will be teaching you how to sketch some simple flowers. This will also be helpful for you just to learn how to sketch things in general, you know, how to hold your pencil and all that. And plus, flowers are fun, and they're cute, and you can draw them anywhere. First, let's go over the supplies you'll need. The first thing is a normal pencil. It doesn't really matter the brand. Next, you're going to need a thin black marker to trace. Next, you'll need a sketchbook, any one you choose. And this part is optional, but if you would also like to color in your drawing when you're finished, you can grab some markers. Alright, now I'm going to open up to a free page in this sketchbook. Now before I put my phone up here on the tripod so you guys can see what I'm doing on the paper a little bit better, I'm going to first tell you about where I got my reference picture for today because it's pretty cool. So I got my reference picture today from Craftsy. I am going to tell you, I have been using their tutorials lately and watching so many of their videos, and they're just amazing. I am obsessed. You guys have to trust me on this because I'm an art major in college and I love all things art and all things creative. So I have been using this all the time. I've been watching so many of the videos, and trust me when I say Craftsy is definitely your online resource for all creative things. I mean, whether it's cake decorating, baking, sewing, knitting, drawing, or painting, I mean, they have it all. So in today's video, of course, like I mentioned, we will be drawing. The first thing you're going to draw is a couple of little seeds in the middle of this flower. Then you can start to draw in all of the little petals around it. Pretty much just keep adding on the petals until it starts to look like a full flower. Now you can go ahead and add in some leaves, however big or small you want. And now I will get started on another flower. Again, flowers and leaves can vary a lot, so you can totally change this around if you want to. Now that we have our cute little page of little flower designs, we're going to trace them in a black marker. Now it's time to add some colors. Now we're going to go in with a slightly darker version of that color, giving it a little bit more depth along all of these little flower petal edges. Next, just for fun, I'm gonna add a couple of thin little lines just to create kind of like a little shadow effect and make it more fun to look at. Then it's a little bit more abstract too. Now look how fun our little doodle page turned out. You can turn it at any way and it looks super, super cute, and it's just kind of fun to draw. Well, hopefully that helped you guys out just a little bit on how to doodle some flowers. I thought it was super fun. Also, I have a little deal for you guys. So the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. Isn't that awesome? So make sure you guys go check that out, and I think you'll really love it just as much as I do. Anyways, if you want some other like simple little drawing tutorials like this, definitely let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!